FOBO is right here. I can't believe it. It's perfect. The temperature is 22 degrees on the... All right, good morning. I know I have to clean up here, but you know, gotta get the time. All right, now we got a new toy here. Okay, it's a sensor. It came with Amazon from Germany. So let's open it. All right, you're gonna tell me why I need a sensor. This is for the Harley, because I have it on the Beamer. Okay, I have a TPMS on the Beamer, and I really like it. I'm not talking about my other Harley, the old one. It doesn't need anything. It's a whole different story. But I have the TPMS sensor for air pressure on the rear and front tire on the Beamer, and you know what? I love it because I can check it. Plus, with Motoscan, I can manipulate the ECU. I did it like a couple of years ago, and I opened the tire temperature, and I love that too. I will explain you why I like the tire temperature. When you watch the tire temperature, all right, and you know, in the winter time is very important. You know how good grip have your tires on the asphalt. Very important. I estimate 20 to 25 minutes on my Beamer. Winter time, we are in Athens, okay, for my tires to get proper temperature winter time. In the summertime, it doesn't matter too much, really. All right, so this is the two sensors they sent you with the FOBO Bike 2. All right, just a little warning. Came with Amazon from Germany in about 3 days. I know there's a lot of videos on YouTube about this, but I want to make my own because I'm gonna show you in a minute on a Harley why I got these little ones here. See, we have tire temperature and pressure, PSI or whatever, or bars or whatever you want. It has here monitoring 24/7, slow and fast leak detection, FOBO share. It has a little level theft thing, something like a screw or something. We're gonna see everything. Easy installation. We'll see. Yeah, these are the sensors. All right, so this is the safety nuts, so you avoid theft. This is the little tools they give you. I have no idea what that is. And I think these are valves you put on a bicycle or something. You put inside your tire. You know, if you're interested in something like that, just go to FOBO website. This is the valve. I mean, it looks nice, really, you know. Anyway, we're not gonna need all this stuff here. We're gonna screw them on. Now, let me get my phone to get the app. Let's go on the bike. Okay, they're going crazy and they drive me crazy. All right, let me set up an account. I'm gonna sign in with Apple. You can sign in with Google. And I'll be back. All right, so here's the instructions. The reason I told you is for me to check the pressure on the rear tire on the Harley, I have to remove the side bag and everything, and to reach the valve. Otherwise, you have to go all the way down there, and believe me, it's not comfortable. Okay, the front one, it's not really a problem. See what I'm doing. All right, so we'll go again to Bluetooth done. All right, let's move this here. Enable notifications. All right, low notifications, low, done. Location services, done. Camera, require for updates, and we'll do this later. Background refresh, done. Crash analysis, require, we can do this later. All right, warning, okay. All right, we are optimizing your experience. Okay, pressure unit, we're gonna go to PSI. Temperature unit, I'm gonna leave it on Celsius and set. Set measurement unit completed. Okay. Kindly press the button above to add a new profile. Alright, new profile. It's a motorcycle. Next. Profile name. Okay. Well, we have a name for her, and it's her name is Trinity. It's a long story. Wife named her. Okay, that's Trinity. This is a street glide. So I put an S, G. Done. Remove this. Next. Saving profile. Setting up. Okay, pressure. Alert at 0 pressure. Okay, the rear tire, it's minimum. I want to put here 42 because we most of the time 2 up. Okay, so we got 39 and maximum. What do I want? Maximum 53. Really, I just wanted, maximum 45. And on 39 I need to be alerted. On 38 save. Good. Okay, so we got the air pressure for the air sacs. Okay, regular 25, minimum 20, and a maximum 30. Next. Vehicle make. It's a Harley. It's a street glide. Glide. Okay, done. Done. Okay. Trinity. Okay. What we'll do next now? Install sensor. Okay. I got back to profile. Okay, I have to change the front tire now to 36. Okay. Maximum. I don't want it to be more than 38. Save. Alright, let's keep recording. So let's see if the battery is good. Yep, the battery is there. Connecting to sensor. You really have to touch the phone into the sensor. Installing sensor. Okay, we got it. Saving to cloud. Installation completely. We did it. Now, the important thing is you can see the battery of the sensor. Okay, how much life you have left. You see the rear sensor, the battery is a little below. It's 3.05. So when it goes to 2.8, replace it. You don't wait to go to below 2.5. It's just not gonna work. It just turn off. Now the same thing on the front, but you see the most important thing is you have tire temperature. I mean, you're gonna tell me how you're gonna check tire temperature when you're riding. Well, I have my phone on the bike, all right, and I can have the display like that, and you don't have to look at it all the time. You just you check once and twice, and then you know how long your tires need to be warm up, how much time. Okay, like winter time usually here in Athens is about 25 minutes. But this is a different bike. This is a different tire. This bike is like 800 pounds, so it's a whole different from a Beamer. All right, that's close to 400. The Beamer is like 225 kilos. So this is a great app. Let me see what else is in there. Visit FOBO, migrate from FOBO. You can actually add more, so you can use it for if you have a car or something. I'm gonna buy another one of this from Amazon just for the air sacs. And actually I can use the same app on my other bike, on the old Harley, because I can get a couple more of these on half the price and put them on the other bike. All right, this is great. Great information. Remember, information is safety. Right, one more thing I discovered, I want to put it on the video, is refreshing every 5 seconds. Look at that. It tells you 5 seconds ago was 35.8, 10 seconds ago was 35.8, 24 seconds ago was 40.9, 42. Look at that. You see that? Was on 42, it went to 41 because we lose some air pouring in and out the valve. So it tells you what's happening in real time, and it is refreshing every 5 seconds. Okay, and it tells you before. Look at that. That's 49 seconds ago. It gives you the PSI below. You see that? Right here. Amazing. All right. Alright, so I found a better manual. You put it like this. Yes, we have done that. If you turn it all to the left a little bit, and it locks. Alright, so let's give it another try. I'm gonna put air first. Okay, then we'll put the FOBO on. Alright. Then they want us to rotate the other way around. I have to turn the nut like that. Yeah, well, it works. You don't have to put too much pressure, just a little bit. It has to go like about 1/16 of an inch into the left as we look at it, left. Alright, and it locks in place. They have to actually break the valve. So how to unlock it now? We see. You go like that. Nah. And it's not really unlocking. You know what? I don't like that much. Really. Anyway, let me put some. I'm gonna put just on the front, because if you try to unscrew it to put air on your tire a couple of times, you might just damage the valve. So I'm just going to use it for the front. So it's just my opinion, but you know, it works. If you turn it all to the left a little bit, and it locks. All right, so use the Dunlop. It's very accurate, and the sensor, it was exactly the same reading. Okay, 40.6 on the rear. So I can tell you the thing is real accurate. The Dunlop, it's one of my best pressure gauges that I have, and it's very accurate. All right, that's it. I highly recommend download this thing if you want to use the lock nut, but it's not the perfect design. It works good as an app, and as you can see, it gives you warnings. The most important, and air temperature. When you start using air temperature, you're going to see the benefits. Thanks again, guys. All right, I came down because let me show you why. The thing works on CarPlay, and I will upload with the new information. All right, let's go here, and you see CarPlay. CarPlay. This is my CarPlay. Customize. Look at that. I just moved the FOBO. I know you can see it, but I just moved the FOBO up after. You see? Before messages. And let me move the car on there. And I have the phone, the music, the maps. Okay. So let's see what's going on. It's gonna be very interesting if I can have the CarPlay there. All right, let's go to the apps. And FOBO. FOBO is right here. I can't believe it. Street Glide Trinity. It's perfect. I can't believe it. We have it on display. Oh man, this is great. And it has the temperature. Look at that. All right, it has the temperature is 22 degrees on the rear and 29 degrees on the front. And you know, Crown, why you don't leave her alone? He's going after Harley, and Harley, and I'm not talking about the bike, I'm talking about our cat. Her name is Harley. She's afraid of him a little bit, but they play together also. She's not really afraid, just like, you know. So this is